Hello everyone, this is Isaac again, and today I have a very important topic to discuss, which is how to draw support and resistance. I am creating this video simply because a lot of people are asking me how to draw support and resistance, and most of the people that are asking me these questions are newbies or beginners to binary options trading. Okay, then before we talk about how to draw support and resistance, we have to know why we draw support and resistance. Now, when we say support, many people don't understand. So what we mean we mean by support or resistance. Then before you be able to know how to draw support and resistance, first thing you need to know is why support and resistance. Why some traders draw support and resistance when trading. Now when you talk about resistance, we are talking about a place, a particular level where sellers are waiting. So what I mean is this is let's look at this candle. Let me see if I can see good graphics. Let me keep checking. Okay, let's use this one as an example. Okay, see, this market was coming up, so we can say this is an uptrend. So when the market got here, it becomes a ranging market. So it was neither going up nor going down. But when the market got here, it started coming down. Now this level where the market reversed is called resistance. Now the reason why this place is a resistance is simply because there are forces which prevented the market from going further. So the market started coming down. And what are the forces we are talking about? So here simply means buyers were pulling the market, were pushing the market up. As you can see, we have some green candles here. So but when the market got here, it became ranging market, and when it got to this level, the market started coming down. So here we can call it downtrend because sellers are in the control of the market. Now okay, I want to use other example. This graphics is not that good, so let me show you where okay, now as the market was coming down here, going up, coming down. So when this market reach here, reach this particular level, the market started going up. So which means there is a force here which prevented this downtrend market from falling down further. So it goes this way, comes down. When it got to this level again, it started going up. So here we can call this place our support. Now I want you to know one thing about support and resistance. You have to know one thing, that when traders or some professionals says support become when some professional traders says support becoming a resistance becoming a support, this is what they mean. Now let's assume when this market was coming down here, we draw when this market reached this level, when this market was here. So as this market was coming down like this line will be acting as support for this particular candle. As the market was here and is coming down, this line will act as support. So, and when you are doing support, you don't draw only the body, you will also have to draw the wicks. So we can draw this level and forget about this one. So then here, this area is our support area, but we have this one, our resistance, our support line. This one also is a support line, but the whole area here is our support area. Sorry. Now then this one is called wick, so we have to understand that, or lower shadow. Now this market was coming down here. This line, this end here, simply means this is the low, the lowest the market could reach before it bounced back and started its uptrend. Now for some of you guys, now I was talking about, support becoming a resistance and resistance becoming a support. Now this is our, let's say this, when this market was here, when the market was here, this line is support. Let's assume this market broke broke this support level, so this level will become a resistance again. Now let's go and check. So this market was coming down, and here is our support area. This market, when this market hit this support area, it bounced back, started going up again. Now let's go and let's begin to check. So the market came down again to this our support level, so it goes back from the same support area. So let's begin to check. Now this market came down after some hours, because this is a 1 minute candle, 1 minute candlestick chart. Now when this market was coming down, it hit support level again. The market bounced back, it reversed. Now the market came down again and touched this support area. It broke this time around, it broke it. Let me zoom it here. So it broke the level and the market came down below support, below the previous support. Now this area, this here for this market, when the market was here was this area. When this market was here, this line, this area, or these lines were our support lines, why this area happened to be our support area. But when the market eventually broke it down, and when the market broke it through and the market was happened to be here, this area now is now a resistance. It's no longer a support. I don't know if you guys are following. Now the market was here coming down, here was acting as support, but when the market broke it down, broke through, and the market is here, this area here, this line will now be acting as resistance. It's no longer a support until the market cross it again before it will be acting as support. But now as the market is here, this area is now a resistance area. Now let's begin to check it. Now here the market is still coming down like this. This is resistance. As the market hit resistance level, it rejected, and the next candle, though it's a red candle, but it closed below the resistance area. This is resistance because the market is going up and is hitting the resistance level. This is not support at this point. When the market is here cannot be categorized as, cannot be said as to be a support area, but a resistance. Now this market now broke this this resistance level. Now when the market now broke it through here, this time now this area is now support for this current market actions. So the market, when the market is here, this area is now a support. So which means when the market is coming down to towards this area, it will act as as support. But when the market is going up, heading over to maybe your previous line, or your previous line can be said to be resistance, but now the market has broken through and is here. This one will be support instead of resist, no longer a resistance. Now it broke the market. Now the market is coming down. Here is now support, but here when the market is here, this one is acting as resistance. But this time the market broke it through and is now coming down. This area is acting as support. The market broke it again, and the market is here. This here now is now acting as resistance, not support. Now the market, in binary and forex trading, resistance must be broken. That one is is sure. So that is why you can see, as you can see, the market, though it might, when resistance is strong or support is strong, the market might find it difficult to break it through, for the first time or for the second time, but the market will surely break it through. Okay, now the market was here and this one was acting as a resistance. So, and when it broke it through, this one is acting again as support. Okay, now I think I've explained that one. So you should be able to know how, when what it means when support becoming a resistance and resistance becoming a support. So the same line is still the same line is support and resistance, but it depends where the market is at that particular time. That will determine whether the line is a support or resistance. Now when the sorry for the low internet connection. So when this market was here, this line is acting as a resistance, but as soon as the market broke it through, here will be a support line. Okay, let's go back. Now this is a live market now. So as you can see, this the market was here and this is our resistance area because it is above the market. So now when the market now broke it through and the line is below the market level, so it will now be support. So for more clarification in a simple term, so let me put it this way: when the market is above this, the line you have previously drawn, it will be your support. So when the line is above the market, it is a resistance. Now don't forget we drew this line ourselves, so previously. So let's go and check. Want us to see how resistance work this time. Now we have talked about how to draw, how resistance work and all that, but I have talked about resistance becoming a support and support becoming a resistance, but let's talk about how resistance and support work, and that is what I used to trade in all my trading history. Now let me remove this line that I have already drawn. Okay, now for those of you guys who are asking how to draw support and resistance, now we are getting into the real business. Now for you to know how to draw support and resistance is for you to be targeting, for you to be looking for where the market reversed. Now this market was coming down, coming up like this, so it reversed from here. So where it reversed is our resistance because this is above the market level. So the market reversed from here. Reversed from uptrend, from an uptrend. So here will be our resistance. So this line you are seeing here, it is good. It allows you to measure whether it is good for you to draw your resistance. So if you now place your arrow here at the support level, then it allows you to use it to check whether the previous, the next candles are supporting your resistance level. Now if you now draw this one now, this, so before you make sure you zoom in your chart so that you can draw it properly. Now this is our support level. Now you can see this market as when the market was here and when the market reversed from here and we drew, let's assume we drew our resistance level here. So the market now came down, touched this level and reversed, and this one touched this level and reversed also. So and this one even touched this level and reversed, which means if you place trade here, if you place a put here, you would have won it. And you also, if you place put here when the market was hit, you would have won it. Though it is a green candle, but you would have won it. Now, so this is our support line. Let's begin to check. Now as you can see, this line, they were support, respecting support, our resistance level. But this mark, when it got here, it broke through the resistance level, and the market was going. Initially when the market broke through, it came down and it reversed from the support. The market came down again to this level. This one broke it through, and when the market wanted to go up again, because this is a resistance level, by sellers were waiting at this level, they kept pushing the market downward. Now this is our current this is the current price level now, so a market level. Then let's see one thing here. Where is that? So as we have our resistance, we can draw support our support line here. Let's draw this support line. As you can see, the market was coming down here, it reversed from here. So let me give you this simple trick before you start drawing your support level. As you can see, I have already gone back to the previous market. So and what I usually do is that I will go back to the previous market and look at the chart. As you can see, this is not where the market is now. So then as the market reverses from here, I will first place this line here to see if the current if the next candle, as the market comes down again and hit that level, did the market reverse. So as I place my arrow here, I see this tiny line, it shows that the market came down to this level again and it reversed from there. So if let me draw this support level here, then this is the body. This is where the market opened here and closed here, and this green candle opened here. So now I have to draw this tiny weak, you can call it high, low. That's where the lowest the market could the lowest level it could be before this market closed at this level and the green candle opened. Now as you can see, we have our support drawn and we have resistance here. This resistance is where the market reverses. This one also is where the market reverses. So let's go and see if the market respect this level. As you can see, the market was coming down again. When it touches this level, it reverses, which means when the market touches this level, let's assume we enter call here, you would have won it. So that is that is the main reason why we are using support and resistance. It's for trend reversal. It tells us when the market is going to reverse. So then when the market now when the market touches, when the candle, the first candle touches the support level or resistance for the first time, there are high chances that the market is going to reverse towards the opposite directions. Let's say the market was coming down within this time the market was coming down, where as soon as it hit our support level, so it bounced back again. So it means, as we, like, this is how I trade. As this market was coming down and this one got rejection here, so if this one comes down again and get rejection at this level, so I'll go for call, because I know the market is going to go up, though it's not 100%. It doesn't happen like that. Like, if the market comes down and get rejection, then this one comes down again and reject from the same level, if you place call, it doesn't mean that your trading history it is going to be a win, but in most cases it will be a sure shot. So then let's go and check. We are still following this line. So now at this market, let's look at this one. So this market came down here, it reversed from support level, and this one, so when this one reversed from here, the market never came down to this level again. So it broke the previous resistance level. It went up, start coming down, it broke this level, start coming down again. Now when it broke this level, it went back again, but now the market was respecting this this support level at this level, as you can see. So this candle, they are supporting resistance. Now I think let me check other currency pairs, so I can see. Then this is what you should do, as I have just explained. If you want to draw your support and resistance, if you now see where the market was coming down like this and start reversing, so this highest level, you just place your cursor, your arrow, to see if it's good for you to draw your support, your resistance at this. But as you can see, there's no it's not recommended for you to draw support here, because as I place my arrow here, this line shows that these candles are not respecting support line, so I don't need to go and withdraw the resistance. So I just have to forget and move on, look at see if there is any area I can draw my support level here. So as you can see, this level now, so there's no trading. Okay, let me check this. Well, if we draw this one now, let's try this one and see. If we draw this resistance level, so I told you, if you draw the body, don't forget to draw the wick. You draw the longest wick, so, or you can also call it shadow. Now as you can see, the market was coming down here, it didn't respect the support. It did not respect. Here, this is our resistance. When the market now broke it here, so it becomes support for this one. But when these two candles, when this green candle was coming, it didn't respect the supporter, because it's now a support, so it broke it, and the green also broke it. So, but when it got to this level, it respected the support level, because this is the shadow. So the most important thing is where the candle closed. The candle opened here, the candle opened and closed here. So this shadow simply means the highest level the market could reach. But here the market, so our concern here is that the market closed above the support level. Here these candles support level, so it respects support level, and this green one also, the market started going up again. Now as you can see here, the market is working, support is working here. So when this market was coming down, it hit this support level again. It didn't cross it for the first time, so this one formed doji. So we can call this one, this is dragonfly doji. So, and this one, the market bounced from this level again and started going up, coming down. So, and when it broke this level, this one also becomes a support. This is how support and support is becoming resistance, and resistance is becoming a support. So as you can see, this market is coming up. It didn't break the resistance, any resistance level. This one also, it didn't break it, because this is still, all this area is our resistance area. This is a support, this is a resistance level, the resistance line and the resistance line, but the whole area here is resistance area, and the market still closed below this, the candle closed below this resistance area, and another green candle and a red candle opened below this resistance area, as you can see. So that is how it is. For now, if I want to trade here now, so this, what I will do is to wait, though since this market has been testing this level, because the more in the market, the more the candle is hitting resistance or support level, the more the level becomes weaker. So if I want to trade here now, I will just be waiting for, I might choose to wait, for the time when the market will hit this level. Let's say, but this is kind of, I don't let trade with this kind of market, because I'm recording this time video when the market is not that good. This is Tokyo and Sydney time. So then if I am trading real, so I'll just, since I have drawn my support here, support line here, so I'll just be waiting. Now this one close here, so I can go for let me see. Now I wanted to get a confirmation, but it was too fast. Now if I, as this one close, if I place my call here when this candle closed at this support level, I would have won the trade, because I know this candle is going to close as green, not red. So that is how to draw support and resistance. So if you want to, like now, if you're waiting for the next, when the market is going up now, so what we need to do is come here, because we know this is the last, this is the next resistance. What this is what to do, just come down here, draw the body, so where the body, where the body closed and where the body opened here, and also draw the whole area here. And okay, sorry, I have to make sure when you're drawing your support and resistance, if you draw your support and resistance wrongly, it is going to make you to lose your trade, because you won't be able to know what is happening. What I mean, you're going to follow your line, these lines here. So it is highly recommended you draw them properly, because that is what you are going to use to place your trade. Now, as I was saying, that this candle was going to be a green candle, so the market reversed from here, and this one, let's say when this candle closed as red, when it touched this level and closed at this, and I placed trade, I would have won it. But as a newbie or as a beginner, you have to understand candlesticks analysis. You don't just draw your support or your resistance and you'll be trading. Whenever the candle hits support or resistance, be trading, you are going to lose some of your trades. So you have to learn how to analyze each candle, then what they are saying, then before you will be placing your trades. So but I'm not going to go deep into that today because the video is already a very long one, and I just want to teach you guys how to draw your support and resistance. So next time I think you guys should be able to know how to draw your support and resistance now, because here now, as I have said earlier on, here now will be our resistance for the coming market. Now when this market is going up, now we will know that when this market hit this level, there are chances that the market is going to reverse now. So but don't worry, by the time I start trading using this support and resistance, you guys will understand everything. So I cannot discuss all the concepts in a single video, but in my subsequent video I will be trading live, and you guys will be seeing how I place my support and resistance. I'll be placing my trades, and you're going to learn a lot of things from it. And as you all know, we don't use any other indicators when trading. I use pure candlesticks analysis, then support and resistance. And if you don't have IQ option and you like to use this same platform we are using, so you can find the registration link in the channel description below, and you will be given $10,000 demo account. So it is a demo account for practice, so you cannot withdraw the money. So and no IQ option is, if not the best broker, but to me, let me say, it's one of the best brokers out there. And because it has a lot of features, I need to place my trades and everything, all the tools I need to place my trades are made available. So as I was talking about support and resistance, yes, you can see this line, the market hit this level and it started coming down. So then, as I was saying, as you can see, this market, because the resistance or support is bound to be broken, so there's no way the market is not going to break a resistance or support level. One thing is that for a temporary time, support is going to, the market is going to find it difficult to break through for the first or for a few times, but it will still be broken. So that one is sure. So I think I have explained how to draw support and resistance. So whenever you see areas like this, now when the market is coming down, so first, before you start drawing let me clear everything. Now before you start, when you just log in and you are ready to trade and you see market like this, so you only need to come and see the previous support, resistance. If the market is going up, look for the previous resistance that the market is already close to, and this should be our the resistance that the market is heading over to currently. We can also draw this one this week. Now then, if the market, let's assume the market is going up, so it's coming, unless it's going down, so you can use this one as your support. Then you can take another horizontal line, then you can draw this level also as support, then as your support. But this one here is our resistance. Then it is a resistance for the upcoming market. Now then you now be waiting. So when you're trading, you have to be patient and don't be in a hurry. So you have to be waiting for the market to hit this level, and when you get your confirmation, you place your trade. So or hit this resistance area or support, so you have your confirmation, you place your trade. Now, but that's what they call that's what we call strong levels. For instance, now when you see this level now, let's see this level now. We can call this one extreme level because this is the highest level this market could reach before it reversed. So for the first time, so what most of the traders do is that by the time this market hit this level for the first time, the first candle that hit this level for the first time, if it gets rejection, they place their trade because they believe that the market is not going to break this resistance level for the first time. But that is not true. In some cases it breaks it, but in most cases it doesn't break through. It doesn't break the resistance because it is a resistance level, this is a place where sellers are waiting, because when this market hit this level, sellers entered the market and started moving the market downward. And here also, so here this is the level where let me draw this support line. Let me draw it here, and okay, here this is the level that buyers are waiting. Resistance is a level where sellers are waiting, while support is a place where buyers are waiting. So when this market hit this level, so because you're not the only one watching the market, millions of people are watching the market all over the world, and when this market hit this level, buyers enter the market, just like the way sellers enter the market and start driving the market downward. So that is why we draw support and resistance, because that is a place where we are waiting to to predict the market that okay, this market is going to go up, or this is where we predict the market that the market is going to go up, and here resistance level is where we predict the market that is going to go down. I think I have explained some concepts here. So as I've just said, if you like, you can create your IQ option account from the link given in the video description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like it, subscribe, so that you'll be receiving most of all our videos, because I will be uploading more videos. And if you subscribe and enable your notifications, so whenever there is a new video, you'll be notified. And for many of you, all of you who are watching this video, so if you like it, comment, and if you have any questions, if there's any area you don't understand, you want me to make a video as regards to that, just comment it in the comment box in the video channel. So thanks for watching this video, and more of this video and my live trading will be coming your way. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.